Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Excel to XML. We will go through the process step by step, making it easy for you to transform your spreadsheet data into a structured XML file. This guide will help you understand the benefits of using XML for data exchange and how to prepare your information effectively. You will learn to utilize Excel's powerful features to achieve a seamless conversion, ensuring your data is ready for various applications. Before converting, proper data preparation is crucial for a smooth process. First, organize your Excel sheet with clear column headers and no merged cells. Each column should represent a distinct data element. If you have a specific XML structure in mind, creating a basic XML schema or XSD can guide your mapping. This foundational step ensures your data is clean and ready to be accurately translated into the hierarchical XML format. Excel provides powerful built-in tools for XML conversion, primarily found under the Developer tab. Begin by importing an existing XML schema, or XSD, if you have one, or let Excel infer a basic structure. Then, use the XML source pane to drag and drop your Excel column headers directly onto the corresponding XML elements. This mapping process is critical for defining how your spreadsheet data will be organized within the final XML file. Once your data is mapped, exporting to XML is straightforward. Navigate to the Developer tab, then select Export within the XML group. Choose a clear file name and a convenient location to save your new XML document. After saving, it is a good practice to open the XML file in a text editor to visually inspect its structure. For robust applications, validate the XML against its schema to confirm data integrity and proper formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.